Elon Musk Dogecoin and why I believe it's going to be good for TRX, Tron, and BTT BitTorrent. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, thank you for watching. Occasionally we do giveaways on this channel, and I myself, when I watch videos, sometimes I get too immersed in them and I forget to support the content creator. So if you could hit the like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe before you've watched the video, I would appreciate it. If you don't like what I deliver and you don't like the video, you can always take it back. It's free to do and it's free to take back. Also, that's the only way you're going to know if you actually were one of our winners, because when we do the occasional giveaways, we talk about it right in these videos. And if you haven't hit the notification bell, you're not going to know about the new content and you're going to miss it. So I actually wanted to I was going to make this video from my Tesla, and I was too lazy. Comment down below. Let me know if you want videos to be made in my Tesla. Also, if you want to, Elon Musk loses 20 billion. Yeah, no big deal. So I had made a video long ago, and by the way, for a surprise, if you want to, entrepreneuramg.com, go check us out. I'd made a video a while back that he would become a payment processing company, that there would be a spin-off of some kind, and that Elon would get involved in the payment processing industry because of his background with PayPal. And you know, some of you thought it was cool, some of you thought, oh my god, what is he saying? But I'll tell you something, everything that I say on this channel in one way or another, unless I literally say it doesn't, will affect Tron, TRX, BTT, and other altcoins. And that's really why I talk about it. So Elon Musk loses 20 billion since SNL as Michael Saylor comes out firing. So for those of you that don't know, Michael Saylor is the guy that actually got Elon involved in the first place. My mic's all the way over here. I don't know. I think the sound was fine. Anyway, put it where I usually have it. So Michael Saylor is the guy that got Elon to bust a move, as they say, and to get invested in Bitcoin. And the funny part is that when Elon said what he said and Bitcoin went down, Saylor actually bought more, which was a smart move on his part for down the road. I don't think it's a smart move immediately, because I don't think that Bitcoin is going to, again, in my opinion, not investment advice, do your own research, you know the whole thing, pretend I'm just a monkey juggling apples or bananas, whatever, ignore what I'm saying, consider it entertainment. I don't think Bitcoin is going to stay at 60 or even 50. I think it's going to waddle around 40 in the coming weeks and stay there for a while. In the 40 to high 30s range, I think, is where it's gonna settle down. So what do I think is going to happen? I think that you got to watch out for Cardano, and I made a prediction that it was going to bump 50 cents before it retraced a few videos ago. It's already started that move. I think it was at $1.60 or 70. I don't remember when I made the video, but if you want to check it out, sometimes I won't always refer back, even when I'm right, and I'll be right more than I'm wrong, I promise you that. But on the thumbnail, I actually put the price of Cardano when I made that actual video. So Elon Musk has reportedly lost 20 billion since his May 8th appearance. I think what's going to happen is you may see TRX bump in here and somehow with their infrastructure help with Dogecoin and help with the payment processing. If Doge ends up being the one that gets all the action here with Elon, I think they may facilitate and streamline the efficiency in some way or another and be part of that chain. And look out for that. And if that happens, you will see some mooning that will blow people's doors off, okay? And it will cascade off into BTT as well. So the source here is Cointelegraph. For everything. Elon Musk has reportedly lost 20 billion since his May 8th appearance on Saturday Night Live, as the news of Tesla halting Bitcoin payments for cars continues to send shockwaves across markets. On May 7th, the day before Musk made his appearance on SNL, Tesla stock was sitting at $669. In the week since, the stock has declined 14% to sit around $573. According to Forbes estimates, this sudden drop has seen Musk's $166 billion net worth plunge by $20 billion down to around $145 billion. It's a lot of billions. The 14% drop this week adds to an overall downward trend for Tesla stock over the past 30 days. On April 14th, Tesla shares were sitting at $784. Friday's price of $573 marks 26.91% decrease over this period, according to the data from TradingView. Musk's escapades aren't just causing volatility in Tesla stock prices, of course. of course, with Bitcoin's price declining 8.1% from $54,448 when he dropped his BTC payments bombshell on Thursday, down to around 50,000 currently, according to CoinGecko. Let me know if you agree. Comment down below. Do you think that the price for BTC is going to settle around and stay around 50 and go back to 60? Or do you agree with me, and do you think it's going to eventually in the coming weeks settle and bounce between 30 and stay in the 40s and not higher? I think that's what's going to happen the rest of the year. Actually, I think it's going to bounce around between 30s and maybe mid 40s. Alex Mashinsky, CEO of digital asset lender Celsius Network, said the crypto industry didn't need friends like Musk telling Yahoo Finance that Bitcoin is up 20 zillion% in the last decade, the best performing asset class over the last decade, and the industry is going to do just fine without Elon. I don't know why I read that now, but I did. He noted that Tesla, so going back to Alex Mashinsky, which is what I should have done, he noted that Tesla made a $300 million profit from selling a portion of its Bitcoin, which dramatically improved its Q1 bottom line. So obviously, they use Bitcoin to deliver a very important quarter for them, he said. So you can't have it both ways. You can't say Bitcoin's not good for me, so Bitcoin doesn't need Tesla. Michael Saylor comes out firing. Yeah, so MicroStrategy CEO, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, Michael Saylor came out firing on Musk on Twitter about the billionaire's claims Bitcoin is not environmentally friendly. So it looks like, and it's the second time I've seen this, I skimmed the article this time, but I didn't read the whole thing before I made the video, and I just started looking at this article maybe 2 minutes before the video. I like to do everything off the cuff, as you know if you're a returning viewer. Energy usage trend over the past months is insane, says Elon. So here's a graph of the energy usage. Okay, the estimated electricity consumption per cbecky.org year-to-date increased 40% during the same period that the network grew 100% in assets, meaning that energy efficiency dramatically improved during this time. Bitcoin is becoming less intensive as it scales. Musk posted links to, I'm fighting back a sneeze, that's why I'm pausing. It's allergies, I'm fine. Musk posted links to articles that referred to dirty. It's funny with allergies, they went completely away. I used to have them badly in my 20s, then they went away completely, and now they're back a little bit. Anyways, Saylor fired back by arguing the cost of Bitcoin was worth it for the benefits. Okay. Bitcoin offers 8 billion people a superior technology to guarantee their human rights to property. Saylor might be more upset than most, as he was reportedly instrumental in convincing Musk to add 1.5 billion of BTC to Tesla's balance sheet in the first place. MicroStrategy took advantage of the dip caused by Musk's announcement on Thursday by spending another 15 million to buy 271 BTC, taking its total haul to, like I was saying, he took advantage and he bought the dip. He bought the dip. Hope for the future. Not everyone saw Musk's actions in a negative light. Anthony Scaramucci, CEO of investment firm Skybridge Capital, ex-Trump affiliate, suggested that this was part of Musk's plan to help clean up Bitcoin mining by encouraging it to move to 100% renewables. So, like I was talking about weeks ago, Chia Network is one of them, and they don't work off proof of work, it's off proof of memory. And the founder of Chia Network is the founder of BTT, BitTorrent. And I think it's interesting how, a lot of this is coming together. And the thing I've been drumbeating the most isn't just the green energy, which is the future. And I think Chia mining is going to be a very important one in that play. And I think memory mining is going to take over. But I think that the mainstreaming is going to be very important as well. I think you're going to see that currencies are going to be like, there's going to be a few cryptocurrencies that are going to act like the US dollar, euro, the pound. You get the idea. US dollar, Canadian dollar, and I think that these, once they're identified, and Dogecoin may be one of them. If it's not Dogecoin, well, it's not, and if it is, it is. I'm indifferent there on that particular one, just because I do love and appreciate the movement, and I love how it's bringing people together. I just want to make sure that there is good utility there, which it looks like Musk is working on efficiency and utility, and then I'm all for it. Any coin that improves things and is real and is not something that I consider to be a farce or made just for some kind of pump and dump, like one of the viewers was asking me about, I think it was the Safe Moon coin. You know, there's got to be utility. It can't be where it's just riding the hype train and the actual currency does nothing. That's how people get burned in the end. And it's not enough for the currency to do just a little something. It's got to do that something that it does. It could be one thing, it's okay, but it's got to be industry changing. It's got to be powerful. It's got to be something that has strong utility, that can change the world, make the world a better place, make products and services a better place, or introduce something new that is not already been brought to people's attention. An invention, okay? Something really groundbreaking. So, I do believe that Elon will settle somewhere. Will it be Cardano or Dogecoin? We'll find out. I think those are the two. I think TRX will play some kind of role in there in terms of streamlining the payment processing part in the background, and I think that will cascade over into BitTorrent. That's my prediction. As usual, thank you for watching. Visit us at entrepreneuramg.com for a surprise, and please, if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, subscribe, and hope this finds you healthy, happy, and I will see you on the next video.